Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. In this video I am going to share you about this new variable which is being available to use in your notification email template. So as you know, if you are already aware, I have already made video how you can create the notification template in message template, like, and if you are, and this is only available on service release 2312. Okay, so this is Microsoft Intune, and if you go to the tenant administration, you will see the service release 2312. Okay, and this new variable is only supported from this version. So what is actually the what variable? So earlier, maybe you have seen, if you are running on below service release of Microsoft Intune tenant, you may not able to add the variables in the message template. Okay, so how you can create a templates, I have already made video, but I'm just quickly show you. If you go to devices, compliance, right, and you see here there is a non-compliance devices and all this, right? So if you click on the notifications, right, on the top under the compliance, you can click on the notification template and create a edit and notification template. So if you create a new template, let me give you, like, if you want to notify, like, if OS version, uh, if you want to notify your users if the device is running on below operating system, like I am just putting 7.2.1 OS version. Okay, below I'm just creating one template. Simply, you want to show logo, I have already made video on how you can create. I'm just creating, and so that I can show you what actually you want to customize is whatever you want to do. Tenant value, company name, tenant value. Okay, next. I'm not doing anything. Okay, now here you see here the tenant value is this one, device ID. It will add the specific device ID. Okay, now here is the template. Now you can select as per your convenience. I am selecting US, and you can give your device is non-compliant. You can give any whatever you want. Okay, OS version, and here is a template. Now let's go to there. You can select the default template as well, because if it's default. Okay, now it's, you see here what is the support for variable in non-compliance email notification. So I'm creating an email notification template here. So use variable to personalize emails that are sent when a user device become non-compliant. This variable included in the template, such as username, device name, are replaced by the actual username in the device name, so that the user receive variable are supported with all platform. Let's for more informations how you can to send email to your users, create a notification template, which I've already just shown you, right? And associate that to your compliance policy as an action for non-compliance. Then when a device is non-compliant, the detail you enter in the template is shown in the email sent to user. A notification message template can include multiple messages that are each for the different locale. Okay, when you specify the message, right, you can, as I already mentioned, add variable to these are the variable you can support it, like username, enter the name, so it will reflect the username, like, yeah, your device is this compliant. If you want to add device name, it will show like this one. If you want to add device ID, I think it doesn't, device ID it's not for the user, so better not to include. Is my suggestion. But yeah, OS and version, yeah, OS and version, of course you want to add. So how you can create the template, you see I have already mentioned. Go to the device notifications, create template. You can give all this information in email, header and a footer, everything. We are here now. You can put it here, hi username, right? So similar, like you can put hello or hi and put the username, similar, like. So when this notification will, when you use this template in the compliance policy, if the device has become non-compliant, it will, the user will get like this. Yeah, and they can see their username here, hello username, like hello, if my name is Rajesh, it will added Rajesh, right? So your device is, I'm just putting running on lower OS version, please upgrade your device to latest version. Okay, something like that, and then you can put, right, uh, you can use like device OS version is this one, right? Here your device OS, your device detail is below, something like that, so that it will reflect OS version. You can use similar, like if you see here, right, your device is non-compliant with this policy, following reason, you have 30 days, something like, you can define it and just create it. Okay, so let's create this one for now. Okay, next, create. Okay, it will take few minutes. See, it's get created. Now what you have to do, you have to uh, scope, I'm using default. If you have specific country, you can create it. Let's get created, and you can say send preview email. It's sending. You can also see the preview email there, right? You will get the email. Now how you have created this message template, how you can use it? Now you can go to the policies and create new policy, select the iOS or Android, whatever you want to do is, I will just quickly show you. I have already made video, OS version compliance policy. Okay, you can give, sorry, the version, sorry for this typo, but yeah. Now device properties, minimum OS version I can give 17.2.1 or 2.0. Maximum OS version, no, build version you can also define. I'm not selecting anything, just OS version. So we'll say send email to users, mark as device non-compliant, send email to users, or push notification. I want to send a push notification 0 or 1 day, whatever you want to select. You want to send an email to users. Now here, after 2 days, I want to send a notification. So here under the message notification, you can select, and you see we have created this template. So it will show like this here, and select it, right? You want to notify any additional recipient like admin or any security team or anyone, you can also add the group, so that this notification will also get sent to the user. You can also click on three dot and delete it if you don't want. So I'm selecting send email to users after 1 day or 2 day or immediately. If it's immediately, just put 0 and select the template. If you click on here, you will see we have created this template. And next, right, I'm selecting all the devices or all users. You can select it whatever you want. Next, create. That's it. You see here we have created one compliance policy, and after 2 day the message template that we have created, it's selected. So as soon as the user will get the get the email, they can see with this username. Earlier it was not there. So make sure, if you are using creating a new message template, you can personalize with the dynamic contents which is available in the Intune with the service release 2311. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.